Hello YouTube, once again I am Joe, and today somebody asked me, could you show some of the stuff that you've worked on? And then it turns out that my family said the same thing. How come you're not showing any of this? Okay, so here we are. I made this for the kids long ago. This was a thing you find in the back of a magazine. You can get plans for a few bucks. Kids had to have one. I thought it'd be a neat project. 40 hours later, this was born. One sheet of maple, one sheet of walnut, and what you see here, every single piece is handmade, even the dowels. The only part that is not handmade are what appear to be the little lights on the boom and above the cab. And there's 4 on the back also. Now, after the kids got done playing with it, it's been sitting for the last 30 years. And here we are with a video to show just how it all works. It's still all, of course, manual. We didn't add any motors or anything, but this goes 360 degrees round and round. We have some custom inner workings that are going on inside here. The actual controls are dowels that were made on a drill press with some files. The tracks all work really nice. Each track piece is 13 different operations on the lathe or on the router. And they're all belted and pinned together to be one working part. And again, all pieces of everything, all handmade. Just to be really cool, just to say you could, right? Then I think the neatest part was to make it so the kids could really play with it. To have a boom that would stay pretty much, well, it used to stay perfectly, but now that it's 35 years old, oh, here we go. Look at that, came loose. This would all be able to be moved so it would keep position. And I thought that was so neat versus what you would normally have it be laying down on the ground because of its own weight. That was a pretty neat part. Back in the day, it all worked really good. Still works pretty good, but thought I would share that with you guys as something that I do with all the toys around here and the fact that I love intricate things. Let me know what you think. You guys take care.